Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to manage references, bibliography in research paper or thesis using Dossier tool. First, you need to download Dossier for Word and install it. Dossier for Word is an add-on for Microsoft Word. After installation, open your research paper or thesis where you would like to add references and cite those references. After installation of Dossier for Word, you will see in the references menu this section. This section is for Dossier for Word. You can see here where add references option is there, insert bibliography is there, and citation styles are there. So how to include references using Dossier tool. So first you need to create one text file and save that text file as bibtext file. Here you can see I have created this bibtext file. So you need to include all references that you are going to use in your research paper or thesis. So this is the format of bibtext file, bibtext document. So if your references belong to article, then at article or at book is reference, or some thesis you are going to use as a reference. Here this is key for your reference. You can keep this as sequence 1 2 3 4 5 6, or you can use key as some known name for that reference. It is depend on us to define the key for that reference. Then title of that reference, author of that references, name of journal, pages, year. Here again you can include volume number and issue number as per our requirement. So one by one you need to add all references in bibtext file. Once this file is ready, then click on setting. In setting you have to provide the path for that bibtext file. So here select, I am going to give the path of this file. So save. Now for example, I am having one reference paper. I have included this reference in my bibtext file. So for example, I want to assign cite this paragraph. So click on this add reference. So all the references from your bibtext file is listed in this panel. So for example, for this reference, this is reference number 2. I have assigned key as a 2. So I will click over here and click on add reference. So you can see the reference is added for this paragraph. So as per your requirement, as per your organization or supervisor requirement, you can change the citation style. Here instead of this you can use APA for example, Based on this type of citation, there are n number of citation. You can use any citation from this citation style. So in this way, we can add all references and cite all these references in your research paper or thesis. So in this way, we can include all references in your thesis or research paper. Hope this video is helpful in writing research paper or thesis. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.